Hello there, I am Vishwanath and you're watching first episode of my video series on natural language processing. Let's begin with a brief introduction to the concept, followed by overview of the process, and we will end with a quick insight into text processing concept. I feel the best way to understand the concept is by relating it to real life examples. So let's begin with the use cases of NLP. Let's suppose certain individuals have posted content on Twitter which is deemed anti-national or it hurts religious sentiments of the people. Being a data scientist, you are assigned with a task to fish out such tweets. In this scenario, NLP techniques would help you identify the keywords, context of the tweets, and weed out unsavory contents. Same is the case with Facebook or any other social media application. They all use NLP to understand sentiment and context of the posts, which would help them govern the content put out on the website. Picture this, you are a car manufacturer and right now you're sitting with the designer, deciding on your next project. Generally, you would deal with three types of car models. And of course, you can't just roll out anything that you feel like. It's important to understand specific needs of the market. And in order to invest your money and energy, you need to understand the customer mindset. In this situation, one of the cost-effective options is to use NLP to understand specifics of the market demand, considering the online reviews as one of the inputs. NLP can help you with the necessary details, including customer segmentation and classification. I hope by now you would be having a fair idea on possible applications of NLP. To sum it up, NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence which is used to process raw text into a format which computers can ingest. Please remember, computers understand numeric data and not the textual data. Now, on to a quick overview of NLP process. Raw textual data is of course the input. It can be anything like online reviews, emails, instant messaging chats, news articles, contractual agreements, documents, anything. As mentioned earlier, raw input will need to be transformed into a format conducive for further processing, followed by feature engineering. It's a process where we consider the meta features of the dataset and work on identifying latent feature and hidden data patterns, creating new variables which would help us understand the data a little better. Once we are happy with the data formation, we move on to classifying data, for instance, separating spam emails from the genuine ones. As a further enhancement of classification, topic modeling would help us club content which has similar words or the ones which has the same theme. For instance, if you're dealing with sports related data set, topic modeling would help me create clusters of activities like cricket, hockey, badminton, etc. Let's look at an example of text processing. Here is a tweet about the ongoing crisis. If you observe, tweet contains punctuations, exceptions, prefix, stop words, and the word total is repeating. These add no value as an input. Therefore, we will need to get rid of it. So this is the processed output of the tweet would look like. If you remember, the word total repeated twice. We used lemmatization to convert the word to its original form and remove duplicate words. In my next video, I would elaborate on the text processing steps and show you the practical application using Python code.